This is a required monthly test of the emergency alert system in the Washington, D.C. operational area. Broadcast stations and cable systems are testing equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies. If this had been enacted,
Okay, we have a bulletin from the National Weather Service in Baltimore and Sterling, Virginia. We have a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Washington County in north-central Maryland, northwestern Carroll County in north-central Maryland, and northwestern Frederick County in north-central Maryland. And National Weather Service alert is for that severe thunderstorm warning that will continue until 6:45 p.m. Just a few moments ago, a severe thunderstorm was located near Clover Hill, near Clermont, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Now, this is a destructive storm for eastern Washington.
Click the on-demand link at the top of the Stir homepage and check out CSI Miami, great movies, and more, all for free. Stir, free on demand.
Welcome to Shout Factory.